And now to news of a breakthrough, and doctors at the Moy Teaching and Referral Hospital in Eldoret have successfully removed all the 7 needles lodged in the body of a 3-year-old girl. Although the child is in stable condition, doctors say they will only discharge her when they are sure her safety is guaranteed. The surgery revealed that 6 needles were stuck in the girl's liver and 1 in the small intestine. Laura Otieno reports.
Yes.
The 7 needles that were lodged on the upper body of Dorcas Jepchumba. 3 days ago, the plight of the 3-year-old who had been admitted at the Kapenguri Referral Hospital came to the light after Citizen TV highlighted the case. But today, a team of 4 surgeons at the Moy Teaching and Referral Hospital in Eldoret successfully removed the needles, which, according to MTRH CEO Wilson Arwasa, might have been lodged in Dorcas's body for at least 1 year.
It didn't happen yesterday. It is something that had been going on, so much so that on the abdomen, the scars where the needles passed through have healed.
The lead surgeon says that though the 1-hour surgery put the baby out of danger, they were forced to use extraction pipes to draw out liquids from the baby's abdomen.
These foreign bodies, the needles we shall show you in due course, were within the liver, and be sure they could easily have gone through the channels that bring out bile.
John Chepkoke, the baby's grandfather, could not hide his joy following the successful surgery that will save him the back and forth trips that had become routine for him as he sought treatment for his only grandchild. He, however, expressed his concern over the baby's safety. 3-year-old is now recuperating in hospital. A similar incident occurred in Thika last December, where a 10-month-old baby was found with 13 needles lodged in her body. The case is, however, still in court after it emerged that relatives of the child might have inserted the needles in the baby's body. Laura Otieno, Citizen Weekend.